In this video, you will see how to add developer tab in Word on Mac. If you have Macbook Pro or Macbook Air or Mac Mini, you can easily enable the developers tab. There are two quick methods. What you have to do is click on the Word on main menu bar and then click on Preferences. Click on Ribbon and Tools. Under Customize the ribbon, select the option Main Menu. At the bottom you will see here Developer. Right click on the box and click Save, and you can see the Developer tab. Next method is also easy. Just click on the Word again. Go to Preferences. This time click on View, and under the ribbon you will see the option Show Developer tab. Just click on it and close the window. Click on that like button if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.